Lockheed Martin has exploded higher plus 10.54% to $568.59, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Friday, July 24th, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a split session across global markets. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is down -1.21%, trading at $7,408.30. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. NASDAQ 100 is down -1.87%, trading at $28,455. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street falls as tech earnings spark AI spending worries and oil hits $100. Dow Jones dipped -0.97% to $51,712. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. DAX edged higher plus 0.91% to €24,989. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. FTSE 100 is trading higher by plus 0.35%, at £10,676. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices today, Thursday. Gold price opens below $4,100 as inflation worries clash with safe haven demand, Yahoo Finance. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Lockheed Martin made a dramatic move today, surged plus 10.54% to $568.59. Equity markets are responding to reports that Lockheed Martin's new space contracts extend long-term earnings story, Yahoo Finance. F-35 production deliveries and international order intake are the primary revenue drivers. European NATO rearmament, driven by the 2% of GDP spending target, is a multi-year tailwind for missiles and air defense systems. Hypersonic weapons program progress is the longer-term upside. Samsung made a dramatic move today, plunged -7.59% to 249,500 Korean wons. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as AI boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Alphabet made a dramatic move today, plunged -7.13% to $317.69. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Alphabet revenue rises 24% as Google Cloud surges, the business journals. The market has overcorrected on AI disruption risk to search. Google's Gemini integration is strong, and the ad business compound rate is intact. Google Cloud growth reacceleration is the catalyst investors are waiting for. Any data point on enterprise Gemini deals would drive a sector re-rating. SoftBank Group plunged -7.06% to 5,500 yen in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wided SoftBank Group, SFTBY. Stock saw over 14% today, carve-out ARI. The technical picture for SoftBank Group has deteriorated. The 5,170 yen level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices today, Thursday. Gold price opens below $4,100 as inflation worries clash with safe haven demand, Yahoo Finance. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $91.21 per barrel, down 9.42% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. WTI crude plunged to $88.91 per barrel, down 3.56% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. Natural gas dipped to $2.90, down 0.65% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. Gold ticked up to $4,057.70 per troy ounce, up 0.27% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold prices today, Thursday. Gold price opens below $4,100 as inflation worries clash with safe haven demand, Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term view on Lockheed Martin. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Lockheed Martin sits around $602.71. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, losing 0.17% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, losing 0.42% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 163.68, gaining 0.37% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that ICICI Bank returns to dollar bonds with cheaper RBI hedging, Finimize. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.